It's hard to find a CAD software solution that has all the features you need, is cost-effective and easy to use. For these reasons, Brian uses ZWCAD. Before starting his design, Brian feels right at home using the friendly user interface of ZWCAD. He can even customize it to suit his own preferences. Brian can also import designs from other mainstream CAD software using DWG 2013 file support. With the hatched object, Brian can open the hatch interface to easily modify the angle, scale, and so on. Design Center allows Brian to reuse resources from other existing drawings, resources such as layer, text style, and dimension style. Brian can even render material, multiple light types, and environment settings in his drawing to see how his idea can be visualized. Without significantly increasing file size, Brian can also input entire DWG files as external references. To make drawings clearer, Brian uses breaking dimension line to break dimension lines where they cross other lines without splitting them. When Brian needs to update textual information, he uses Fill to solve this task. To create neat tables in a single step, Brian has Table, which allows him to realize it quickly. When everything is complete, Brian wants to spot the differences between the two versions of his drawings. He can do this quickly by using File Compare. ZWCAD offers the same reliability with limitless possibilities. Download now from www.zwsoft.com.